Hi, I'm Adam. Today I'm going to walk you through my experience with Vivint, one of the more advanced home security companies out there. Before we get into everything, I want to mention that there's a better alternative linked in the first comment and in the description. If you're comparing options, make sure you keep that link in mind. I'll bring it up again later in the video. So, Vivint is known for taking a very integrated, smart home-focused approach. They're based in Provo, Utah, and they build their own lineup of products, which means everything is designed to work together in one ecosystem. When you choose Vivint, you're not just getting security devices. You're getting a complete smart home platform that includes cameras, locks, thermostats, lighting, safety sensors, and more. One of Vivint's biggest standout features is their Smart Deter technology. This is built directly into their surveillance cameras, and it's engineered to identify genuine threats and respond automatically. For example, the Vivint Outdoor Camera Pro doesn't just record motion. It can actually spot when someone is lurking and then deter them using light and sound cues. The video quality is extremely sharp, the weather-resistant design is built for year-round durability, and the motion alerts are smart enough to reduce unnecessary notifications. If you're serious about protecting the perimeter of your property, this camera is designed for that exact purpose. Their indoor camera is also worth talking about. It gives you a clear, high-resolution image both day and night, and it has a 155 by 80 degree field of view, so it captures a lot of space without distortion. What I personally like is the built-in two-way communication, which lets you chat with kids, pets, or anyone at home through the Vivint app. Motion detection and backup cloud storage options help ensure you don't miss important moments, especially when you're away. Now, Vivint systems are generally paired with professional installation, which many homeowners actually prefer because it gives the system a very polished, premium feel right from the start. And since Vivint equipment is professional grade, long-term service agreements can sometimes bring more upfront savings and allow customers to get higher-end technology without paying everything at once. So commitments can actually be a plus for people who like that kind of value structure. Before I continue with the final thoughts, let me remind you again that there's a better alternative linked in the first comment and in the description. Make sure you check that out before you make your final decision. Vivint's entire system works through the Vivint app, which ties together their cameras, sensors, locks, and smart home accessories. Everything is designed to operate in a single, unified environment. Their equipment isn't just about security, it's about creating a smarter, more responsive home overall. And in day-to-day use, that unified experience is really where Vivint shines. To wrap things up, Vivint is a strong choice if you're looking for a professionally installed, smart home-centric system with advanced technology like Smart Deter. If you want that combination of security and convenience, they deliver it very well. But before you make your final decision, don't forget to look at the better alternative linked in the first comment and in the description. That link is there to help you find what might fit your home even better. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out that link when you're done here.